All right, everybody. Good day to you all. Welcome to another edition of our daily video. Today, I want to teach us what I'm supposed to teach you on Friday, which is HTML images. I'm so sorry that I couldn't upload videos on Friday due to some issues, and I'll try to cover up in no time. So let's get down to business. Today, I want to teach us what we call HTML images. HTML images simply means how can we put images on our website. We've learned how to put links on our website, but today we want to learn how to put images on our website. And probably by tomorrow, we'll be learning how to put videos on our website. But today, we want to majorly focus on how to put images on our website. Let's get started. Now, I have told us in the previous videos that before you even start your HTML document at all, you should always make sure that you create a folder where you want to be keeping all your HTML documents. When you create a folder, you can keep as many HTML documents as you like in it. Now, I have created a folder here which I titled project. Inside this folder, I want to be keeping all my HTML files. I don't want to save them anywhere else. I want to save them inside the project folder. So all my HTML documents will be inside this folder. So let me open it and see the HTML program I have here. Okay, I have my project.html. This is actually the same project, the same HTML document I worked on in the last class. So I'm going to be using this same HTML document. Now, before you can upload or before you can put an image on your website, that image must be found in the same folder as your HTML document. Do you get what I just said? Before an image will appear on your website, that image must be found in the same folder as your HTML document, meaning that your HTML document, this document must be in the same folder with the image that you want to put on the web page. There are other means of doing it, but basically for the sake of this class, we'll be looking at this method first. And the method entails that you should put the image in this folder. As we proceed in this class, we will learn other ways to do it without putting it in the folder. But for this class, we will learn how to put image by putting it in the same folder. So all you need to do is look for any image on your desktop. Let's say, okay, I think I have images here. Look for any image of your choice, right? Let's assume I want to use this, right? All I need to do is to copy this image, copy the image, then come to this my project.html and paste it in. That is the same folder which I kept my HTML document. So now I've pasted the image in the same folder as my project.html. So let me change this name. Let me rename this image so that it can be easy for me to remember. Let me change this to my picture, my picture.jpg, right? So this will be easy for me to remember. Now the next thing to do now is to open the HTML document. The next thing to do is to open the HTML document with your with your code editor. So I'm using Visual Studio Code. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, it's opening up. Let's just show a little. Okay. All right, so this is my project.html which I opened, and now we want to try to add an image to the website. Now the first thing to do is to open image. Sorry, I'm very sorry for that mistake. I'm very sorry. The next thing to open is to open image, but image does not have close. There is nothing like close image. Unlike other ones, I have open A and you have close A. You have open Q and you have close Q. Image does not have close. It means it is only open we have. So when you open the angle bracket, you type img, which is image source, image source equals to, then you put the address, the name of the picture. I saved it as, okay, my picture.jpg. Fine, very good. You can see it has even given me option. That is the benefit of using Visual Studio Code. It gives you option of everything that you might be looking for. It already knows that this my picture.jpg is inside the same folder as this HTML document. They are both saved in the same path. So after that, you can close it. That is all for image. You can see it's very simple. Image source equals to my picture.jpg. That is the name of the image that is saved in the same folder as your HTML document. So let's save it and see. Save, then you run it. Run, okay, run without debugging. So okay, Chrome, you run it with Chrome. Let's just chill a little. Let's relax a little for it to come up. Oh, what could be wrong? Thought it was coming up. What's wrong? Let's try again. Okay, now it's opening. Yeah, now you can see the image. This is the image I put in the HTML document. This is the image I put in the HTML document, right? But is this good enough? No, it's actually too big, right? Too big, right? So what can I do to make it fit onto this screen? What can I do to make it fit onto this screen? Right? What I need to do is to come back to the code, and reduce the width and the height. So how do I do that? All I need to do is to come here. And type width, right? Width equals to quote, let's say 100, or let me say 50. Right? So let's save it and see how it will look like. The width help you to adjust the size, right? So it will not be too big for your screen. So let's reload. Okay, 50 is actually too small. You can see, but the essence of this is to make it look small. Let me look for a perfect size. You can increase the size by whatever number that you like. I can actually make it 500 if I like. I can make it any value of my choice, right? You can see this. This is when the width is at 500, right? You can see this now. So that is how to make HTML images. So let me change this again now. Make it something like 100%. Where is percent? Where is it? Save and run and reload. Now this is 100%. So this is 100%. Now the reason why 100% is putting it on full screen is because percentage is more recognized than on the computer than ordinary number. Now you can see that when I use 100%, it gave me a full screen, a full width, right? It gave me a full width of just only the size of the screen. That is to tell you that the computer understands that when you put it at 100%, it means you want the whole screen. But if you use just 100, 100 will be very small. But if you use 100%, it will give you a full screen that is balanced on both sides. It will not be too long and it will not be too small. It will only fit on your screen. So now let's look at the height. Let's look at the height. You can make the height. You can also, oh, sorry, that was a mistake. Now you can make the height as well to be in our favor. You can change it to whatever thing we want. Let's say height to be equals to, let's say, 100, right? 100. Let me save. No, I said this to be 100%, right, initially. So let me change back. It was a mistake. I deleted it by mistake. So save and run. Oh, sorry, I already have a tab for it already. Okay, there's no point going there to debug again, so I just need to do this. You can see the height is too small for the width. Let me change it. Let me increase this a little. Let me make it 300. Let me make it 300. So I have to save, then I reload. Okay, you can see it's bigger now, but it's still not balanced. So let me change it again. Let me increase it a little bit. Let me make it 500. Let me make it 500. Save and reload. Okay, you can see it's getting better now, but it's still not looking good, right? It's still not looking good. Let me make it 550, or let me make it 550. So okay, let me see changes. It seems the 550 is not working, so let me make it 600. So sorry, save. This should work now. This should look good now. I'm sure this will look better now. Okay, now I think this is better than before, right? So that is what you need to know about HTML images. You can define the size and the height to whatever way you want, and you can also edit the positioning. Now when we talk about HTML image positioning, if you want to position your image to whatever angle you want, it is very possible, but we'll deal with that in our next class. Let me not give you too much at a time. Let me take it one step after the other. So thank you very much for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos from me. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.